Chapter 1. Phonics, sounds of vowel A. Read aloud the phonics. Ab, cab, jab, fab, gab, nab, tab. Add, fad, pad, mad, dad, sad, had. Ag, bag, jag, lag, gag, wag, tag. At, bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, rat. Am, ram, yam, dam, ham, jam, sam. An, pan, van, ban, can, fan, man. Words that have similar pronunciation sound are rhyming words like cab, fab, tab.